Welcome to Watford Cycle Hub's Go Ride races. Just one example of the events that happen alongside regular servicing, repairs, bike reconditioning, cycle and maintenance training. All very commendable. It's a centre for Watford people of all ages, abilities, backgrounds and crucially, aspirations. At Watford Cycle Hub, donated bikes for resale need to be recycled, so skills are developed and jobs created. Races need holding, so volunteers are challenged. Non-riders need to be taught and bike riders need to be led, so experienced cyclists get to develop new skills. And funds need to be raised, so cycles are serviced and accessories sold. Watford needs healthier minds and bodies and a cleaner environment. Cycling provides that vehicle because everyone needs a chance to overcome their individual challenges at their own pace to win their particular race.